How to set up call forwarding on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to set up the call forwarding on Android, first of all launch the phone application on your device. As you do that, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and here you can see the option of calling accounts. So tap on calling accounts. You'll be led to call settings section over here, and here tap on the call forwarding option. So as you tap on call forwarding, it will start to read the settings. So you just have to wait for a while until it loads all the options. Now here you can see there are four options: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. So if you want to forward your calls when you are busy, when you do not receive the call, you just have to enter the number and then tap on turn on, and then you'll be able to forward your call when busy. And same goes to all these other options as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.